另外一位民主党的候选人何锦丽，伊已经承认失败。初六的时，伊先打电话给川普，解讲恭喜，了后伊就伫华府的母校发表全国的演说。伊希望支持者接受伊的失败，也希望大家把焦点看向未来。
选举的贺锦丽用招牌式的笑容甲大家见面，这也是伊输这场选举了第一遍出现伫咧公开场合。
Now I know folks are feeling and experiencing a range of emotions right now. I get it. But we must accept the results of this election. Earlier today, I spoke with President-elect Trump and congratulated him on his victory. I also told him that we will help him and his team with their transition, and that we will engage in a peaceful transfer of power.
贺锦丽竟伫咧伊的母校霍华德大学发表全国演讲，这样是伊原本开票暗暝一倍地点。不过一开始开票了，伊一直拢落后，而且连威斯康星州也输，比下这个关键的摇摆州了，遂宣布取消所有行刑。迄当阵原本伫咧现场的支持者拢正失望地离开，媒体记者形容现场空啰嗦。就伫选举结果第二项确定了，宣布重新转到霍华德大学。这个时阵支持者也拢搁转来，伊讲到民主党选落来4年要做的代志，会继续伫投票所发现甲公共场所进行这场战斗。
The outcome of this election is not what we wanted, not what we fought for, not what we voted for, but hear me when I say, the light of America's promise will always burn bright. As long as we never give up, and as long as we keep fighting.
英国广播公司 BBC 报道，伫选前最后2礼拜，川普伫7个摇摆州的民调拢被估了伤低，而且所有的误差拢是倒向一边。伊当阵就是讲双方正话，不过贺锦丽小可较有优势，但是最后的民调显示，7个摇摆州内面有4个川普的支持度可能有较悬。公司新闻吴文玲编译。